Look at that. So cool to walk in here and it actually looks like a truck. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to get a little more work done on this thing. The truck now, not just a frame. So thanks again. See you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so I want to do a little voiceover on what you're going to see in the next part of the video because I got some music with some time lapse and I didn't want to break it up too much. So here, starting on the rear differential yoke and the triple lip seal, and then I moved on to making the fuel lines, the feed and return for the fuel system. It's a little interesting doing it the first time, especially with ptfe fuel lines that are E85 safe. So hopefully you guys enjoy a little breakup of the truck building to make some custom stuff. I really enjoyed this part, and hopefully you guys learned something.
Oh, I don't know why I'm holding myself back. I'm fighting inside. Oh, I don't know why. I'm fighting inside. I'm holding myself back. I'm fighting inside.
Alrighty guys, just checking back in with you. It's about 5 o'clock. I think this is kind of where I'm going to call it today, but I kind of want to go over some of the progress, what we got done. So we got the GMC's wheel bearing done, most importantly, or first off, what we accomplished. The cab is on, the bolts are not fully in, but I need to get bolts for it, so that can wait. I did put the black wheels on it, which I think look really nice. The truck's looking like an actual truck, which is pretty cool. And then one of the biggest things I wanted to get done was for this thing to run, I need to have fuel. Of course, fuel, air, and spark, right? Well, let's start with the fuel part because that's the part that's completely not made. We got a little bit of spark with wires. We already got that stuff mostly done. And, well, we'll have plenty of air. So I start on the fuel lines, and so our feed right here is an 8 AN line, and then our return is a 6 AN. And so how Huron Speed sets this fuel pump up is they have your 2 pumps feed into here, which is your 8, And then this is your return right there as a 6. So I would show you underneath the truck, but I don't really want to lift it up right now while I'm recording. So the lines route underneath here, this is our feed, so this is our 8AN. This goes to a filter underneath the truck and then comes up here. And this will go to our fuel pressure regulator, which is just kind of hanging here. It'll go in one of these sides, come out the other, and then go to the rail right here. So that's our feed. And our return is stupid simple. It just plugs in, well, threads onto the bottom of this guy, which I need to get a couple parts for. So in total, I need 2 more 90-degree elbows because the kit that I bought doesn't have those. And then I also need 1 adapter from the pipe threads that are at the bottom of this to a 6AN line. So need 3 more fittings. That's kind of why I stopped where I am. And let me see, is there anything else we got done? Got the steering shaft in right here so that the steering wheel can be turned and the truck can be kind of driven. So I did that because after getting the cab on here, this frame is not easy to roll in and out and turn the wheels. So got that hooked up so we can do that. And I think that's about it. So with that being said, I really appreciate all you guys watching this video. I hope that either you learned something or you saw something that you liked. It was a long day working out here, but I've never made AN lines before, so that was kind of fun. I'm still learning a little bit. I keep forgetting to put the nut on before I put the flail in there, or whatever they call it, the flare, just like brake lines, but I'm starting to get there before I start prying that aluminum or the stainless braided part out. I just need to say to myself, put that nut on there. So learning that, but I'm really happy with the progress of the truck this weekend. Cab's on, looks like a truck. We're pretty close to having fire in the pipes here soon. So like I said, appreciate all you. Keep on coming back. Give me a like if you can. Leave a comment if you want. I appreciate it. Peace.